Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot feature on this device. So you have to go to settings, then to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, mobile hotspot. You can just switch it here, tap it once to turn it on, and you can also deactivate it if you tap it one more time here. And here you can change your hotspot preferences. You can change its name here. Here you can select if you want to have password or if you don't want to have password. You can change your password here. You can select your AP band. And you can also select maximum connections of users. And that's it. No, it's not. You can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.